Kids to us. Learning is fun.
Welcome all! Today we are going to bird safari and we will learn the names of different birds in there. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin! This bird is called a rooster. Say again, a rooster. And what do we have here? A toucan. Repeat after me, a toucan. This bird is called penguin. Say again, penguin. And what is this bird called? A goose. Repeat after me, a goose. We all have seen this. It's a crow. This bird is called crow. We also know this bird. It's a hen. Yes, it gives us an egg, hen. This beautiful bird is blue jay. Blue jay because it's blue. And this big bird is ostrich. It's called an ostrich. Here we have a hummingbird. A teeny tiny hummingbird. Oh, this is a sparrow. It's a cute little bird named Sparrow. And what do we have here? A duck. Quack quack, a duck. This bird is called peacock. A very beautiful peacock. And what do we have here? A kingfisher. That's right, this little bird is called kingfisher. This green bird is called a parrot. A green bird with red beak, a parrot. What do we have here? An eagle. This bird is called an eagle. And here we have an owl. A flying owl. Last but not the least, we have pigeon. This bird is called pigeon. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.